Hey guys, so today me and my sister are gonna probably go do Pokemon Go. We're gonna go catch some Pokemons today. So I don't know if I'm gonna record all of it, like most of it. I don't know. It might maybe some footage, but it's hard because I record with my iPhone, and on my iPhone I have Pokemon Go, so you can't really see my iPhone screen. So that's why I need a camera. So whenever I have like something to show you guys on my iPhone on the go, I can just show you guys like that, like a photo on Instagram, like something like that, for example. So one day I'm probably gonna get like a vlogging camera, but I do have another camera, but it's like a waterproof camera. It's like a GoPro, but not a GoPro. It's a XP camera. I forget. I think that's like the type, like the series XP by like Fiji Films, I think. But I'll show you guys one day in my vlog that, like, when I get back to Mexico, I'll show you guys the waterproof camera. Okay? It's a really good camera. It's not like those crappy ones. It's mostly like life proof, so shock proof, waterproof, dust proof, and freeze proof. So yeah, it's mostly like a life proof case, but not a life proof case. So yeah, I'm gonna I'm loving this lighting right now. It's coming from the sunroof. Yeah, it's pretty nice. If only I had this in my room, so, or my house even. But I could probably use the light from windows like this. So it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm waiting for my sister to come here. She says she'll be here in 20 minutes, like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, she'll be here in probably 15 more minutes. So I'm hyped. Pizza time. Is it just cheese? God damn it. There was a better pizza, like, it's called the Canadian. Looks like my mom's friends, and I think her too, had some and ate them all. But it's alright, anyways, because I don't blame them. It's a really good pizza. Has like bacon and all that meaty stuff. It's so delicious. About 1 minute. Start. So, the Canadian is like the best pizza I've ever tasted, I think. I'm still in love with it. I always have it when I come to Mexico Canada, for like a visit plus vacation. So, you might see a lot of like that pizza from Basil's, I think. Bailey's, I forget. But check out the other vlog where I got the pizza. It'll tell you like what like restaurant or pizza place. It's only in that town. I'm pretty sure, 100% sure it's in that town. Like there's only one of them. Pizza's ready. Close the microwave. Also, we're taking the little kid to the park while we do Pokemon Go. So, yeah, pizza. This is so good. Nicholas, maybe if you come to Canada, you gotta try this pizza. It's bomb. It's like good. It's probably like the best pizza I've had besides Domino's and that other pizza place that you love in Mexico. So yeah, and you should also try Boston pizza. It's the best pizza too. So yeah, gotta dig in. Whoa. My sister's here, so I gotta get out to the house and now get my shoes on.
Almost 80% for the house that haven't built, as Japan droids are expected to release a new record. This
She does, so we're at my sister's place and I think it's about to rain because I felt raindrops. I'm gonna get my, I don't think we're gonna go do our Pokemon thing today. I don't know. Just grabbing my drink from Starbucks. We went to Starbucks, so yeah, we're gonna probably chill here for a little bit. Xander's a little tired.
It's raining. Mommy, it's raining outside.
It's raining hard. Looks like we can't go Pokemon Go today. It's raining so hard, thunderstorming, so no Pokemon Go today. Maybe another day. So I don't know what to do. We're leaving now. It's raining hard. For at least an hour. We have to get to the right car, which is, I don't know if we can see it. Can this go up?
Yeah, probably. Wait, I'm gonna carry you because it's all wet. It's not wet.
My sister gotta go get a charger. What's up, Xander? How you doing? You good?
Yeah.
Is it raining?
No.
There's no more rain? It's raining a little bit. No. What's up?
W.
Where? You want a W?
Yeah.
What? You wanna go with her? Pizza time. So we're back home. So I'm about to go live. So make sure to check me out on YouNow, Colton Baker. Alright, so when I get back to Mexico, I'm gonna use my waterproof camera as I said. So I'm gonna buy maybe a 32 gigabytes of memory for it, or maybe 64, depends on the pricing. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you liked it, because the day is almost like finished. It's almost 12 o'clock, so I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also share with your friends, whatever you want to do. So yeah, peace out. What are you watching?
Super.
Super Y?